Hey guys, today our topic is inverse function, or sometimes we can call it reflection on the line function. So, what is inverse of a function? The main question is like function inverse is just like the function but in an opposite way. So, how can we say that we can say that inverse of a function can be found by interchanging the domain and range of a function. So if we just change the domain and range of the function, we can find our inverse of the function. It's basically simple like interchanging the y and x in the equation of the function. We can also say that you can also sketch inverse function, the point xy, it becomes yx. So it's just changing the position wherever or whatever it have to be. So you just simply have to change the position. So it means that it will gonna work like this. Now the next thing about is that how can we use our function and determine the inverse of the function. For this, we just gonna simply see one question, which is very easy one. For example, if our question is f of x equals 4x minus 8, and we have to find the inverse of this function. So it's very easy. You have to keep some points in your mind. Number one point is you have to just simply put it instead of f of x, you can just write y because we already know that our y is equals to f of x. So we can replace it. Step number two, we simply have to switch the variables. So always remember this thing, switching the variables. And if you have to write it here, kindly write it because it's good if you write it. So switching variables mean whatever I have in x, I will change it into y. Like instead of x, I'm going to write x equals 4y minus 8. Now I'm going to solve for my y. So I will move negative 8 to the other side. It will become positive 8. And as I'm solving for y, so it means my y should be alone. So my this 4 will gonna divide with x plus 8. So I can also write, if I separate the denominator with both of them in a fraction form, so my answer would be x over 4 plus 2. And we know because I'm finding the inverse function, so it means I can write f inverse x equals x by 4 plus 2. So this is my inverse function. That's very easy and very much understandable. Hope you like it.